Welcome to Java Forum. So now I'm going to show you how to change or how to set the deployment name in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So in software development, there are many phases like development, testing, production, etc. So each phases will require some separate environment. So we can classify those environments by using this set deployment command. So this is the command. So hostname ctl set hyphen deployment development. So I am setting this box as a development box. See here, deployment name is showing as a development box. Okay. So similarly, you can also classify your server or workstation whether it is a development or a production or staging, etc, etc. So you can also remove the deployment name by just giving the empty quotes. So anyway, I am putting back some deployment name. Okay. So deployment names, there are some predefined values. So please refer the hostname.ctl man pages for more deployment names. Okay, this is the way we need to set or change the deployment name in AlmaLinux 9 operating system.